Well, a very warm welcome to Charles. The local time is the same as that in the UK, which brings the time to 2:30 in the afternoon. Please do remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off by the captain. If it is safe to do so, please do take care of opening the overhead lockers as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. When the seatbelt signs are switched off, please do remain seated and refrain